Good morning students. Today we will discuss topic which is based on development of BI system using data mining for business applications. There are different application where we can use BI system. Example, fraud detection, clickstream mining, market segmentation, retail industry, telecom industry, banking and finance system, then CRM system, etc. So such a kind of examples are asking in university exam for case study, which is going to be asked for 10 marks. So today we will discuss one example called as fraud detection. How the BI system will detect the fraud. So fraud will increase as the transaction volume of business increases. So by using analytical model, we have to detect a fraud and it can play a very important role in identifying fraud in early stages and protecting business from heavy loss. So there are DM tools which are used to build model that produce a fraud possibility score which is linked to unidentified metric. This model is called as predictive modeling. After scoring is done automatically, the results are established for review and there is further analysis of this result. So after calculating statistical parameters to find out values that exceed average of standard deviation, it then look at high and low values and find out the anomalies. The anomalies are nothing but the values which are not coming under the range or which are out of bound values. Such anomalies are often the indicator of fraud. So they have to do the repetitive or competitive analysis by creating and setting up the script to run against the big volume of data to identify the fraud. So this can be do periodically of time. So run the script every day to go through all the transaction and get periodic notification regarding the fraud. This improving efficiency and consistency of fraud detection process. So such a way BI system can help in data mining to find out different frauds or anomalies. Thank you.